Hi, I'm Amy Johnson and I'm here to show you how to create a big bouncy 90s blowout just like this, and we're going to be using the Dyson Airwrap to create it. Always better to start when your hair is freshly washed. I'm going to use the drying attachment to about 80%. You can then start drying your fringe if you have a fringe. I like to use the round brush, a medium heat and medium flow. Grab the whole thing and lift it upwards to get volume. Drop it down and part it. Flick the ends out, switch over to the 40mm barrel set on high and high. I section my hair into 3, the bottom, the middle, and then the top. Split the bottom half. I'm going to start curling those. Once it's dry, I push up the cold shot button just to set it. And you can take quite big sections as well because we don't want it to look really curly when we're finished. Then I'll release the middle part, push it to the side and work from the back. For the other side, I'm just going to switch the direction of the barrel by turning the top. So I just do it so it goes away from the face. Okay, last bit before we do the top. Then to get as much volume as possible with the last back section, I'm going to lift up and curl backwards, just like this. So the higher that I lift it, the more volume I'll be able to get. Cool it down and then just finish off the last few in a really similar way. Last one. I like to use the detangling comb because what this will do is pull out all of those big barrel curls and just bring all the hair together. You'll see all the volume come out and just kind of mess up through the parting and position it as you want. You can go around and touch up any other sections if you want a few more curls or flicks. That's pretty much the end result.